Welcome to Easy Microbiology.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present to you information about the genus Lactobacillus. We will delve into its habitat, morphology, cultural characteristics, biochemical characterization, host range, virulence factors, mechanisms of antibiotic resistance, epidemiology, pathogenesis, and immunological responses. Let's get started. Lactobacillus is a large and diverse type of bacteria found in many different environments. It can often be found in the human and animal gastrointestinal tract, as well as in dairy products and fermented foods. This bacteria has a special capability to ferment sugars into lactic acid, which aids in preserving and adding flavor to many kinds of foods. Lactobacillus is a type of bacteria found in a vast array of habitats, including the human and animal gastrointestinal tract, the oral cavity, the vagina, and various fermented foods. It is a key component in various products like yogurt and sauerkraut, and aids in digestive functions. A close-up of purple cells belonging to the species Lactobacillus is on this slide. Lactobacillus is a significant genus of bacteria. It is rod-shaped and generally has a diameter of 0.5 to 1.0 micrometers and a length of 2 to 20 micrometers. It does not produce spores or move. Lactobacillus bacteria is one that can thrive in a variety of media and typically produces colonies that are white to cream color. The cultural characteristics of this bacteria make it highly adaptable and an ideal choice for many industrial and medical applications, as seen on this slide. Lactobacillus is a genus of bacteria found in various sources of food and in many areas of the human body. It is a homofermentative bacteria, meaning it primarily produces lactic acid through the fermentation of glucose. Catalase negative, it can also bring about other metabolic end products such as acetic acid, ethanol, and carbon dioxide. Lactobacillus is a genus of bacteria that is found in a wide range of hosts, including humans, animals, and plants. Different species of Lactobacillus are adapted to specialized niches within their hosts, playing an important role in maintaining the health of the host. Lactobacillus is found in many different environments and is generally considered a beneficial bacterium due to its ability to produce lactic acid, which helps prevent the growth of potential pathogenic microorganisms. However, certain species have been found to produce virulence factors which can cause disease in certain contexts. These virulence factors include the ability to adhere to host tissues, survive digestion, and cause pathology. Lactobacillus is a genus of bacteria found in various environments worldwide. It is known for being highly resistant to antibiotics, which is attributed to the acquisition of resistance genes or the development of efflux pumps. This presents a challenge to medical professionals when treating infections caused by this bacteria, as alternative approaches must be sought. Lactobacillus is a genus of bacteria with a wide range of benefits. These include usage in the production of fermented foods and probiotics, as well as its presence in both human and animal gastrointestinal tracts. Occurrence is widespread and research into its health benefits continues. This versatile bacteria has potential applications that are numerous and far-reaching. Lactobacillus has a number of health benefits that are important to humans. Research has demonstrated that it aids digestion, decreases the chance of infection, and aids the body in regulating its immune system. Incorporating this bacteria into our bodies can be advantageous to us all. Lactobacillus has been linked to the modulation of certain factors that regulate the immune system, the activation and recruitment of immune cells, as well as the induction of immunoglobulins, important proteins in our body's defense. Lactobacillus is a genus of bacteria that is commonly found in the human and animal microbiome. Though not considered a pathogenic organism, it holds several beneficial properties and health impacts, rendering it an important component of the microbiota. Diagnosis of an infection caused by this bacterium is generally not necessary. Lactobacillus is a beneficial bacterium commonly found in the human and animal microbiome. It has the ability to prevent the growth of undesirable or harmful bacteria, thus preventing the need for lactobacillus infection. To maintain a healthy microbiome, it is essential to practice good hygiene. Lactobacillus is a genus of gram-positive bacteria that forms a key part of the healthy microbiota in the human digestive tract. Unlike pathogenic bacteria, they do not cause disease and therefore do not require treatment. Studies are ongoing to investigate their potential as probiotics to promote gut health. Lactobacillus is a beneficial type of bacteria that is naturally present in the human and animal body and can also be found in fermented foods. Scientists believe that it has multiple roles in improving human wellness, such as aiding digestion, regulating the immune system, and reducing the risk of infection. It's a reminder that the food we eat is more than just nutrients and energy. It's also an opportunity to nourish the bacteria that keep us healthy. So make sure to include lactobacillus in your diet for optimal health. Thank you.